out the Dollar Tree looking out for the naturals.
Okay, for $1, this detangler brush is bomb.
Oh, how much is that? I can afford it. Throw it in the back. Oh yeah, absolutely. You can have anything you want. What? You never seen anybody on a shopping spree before at Dollar Tree? Get a life, loser.
Okay, so when I come back, we're all gonna see whether these Dollar Tree products are worth the money. I mean, even though it's like only $1 each, but we'll see whether we can start to use some of these products for everyday twist outs, like whether that actually looks good, you know?
The goal is to come here for hair products and hair products only. Because, you know, your girl gets carried away at Dollar Tree for some reason. I feel like I got money in here, you know? That's what it feels like. I need some flowers. Do I? These are so cute. They're so cute. No, we're not here for that. I'm gonna grab a cart. We're gonna get down to business. Wow, I'm actually overwhelmed. And the best part is, it's only $1. It isn't getting better than that. Eyes up here, but up here, not have my breasts up here. Okay? Nasty. I'm in the shampoo section. Ooh, coconut oil, enriched coconut oil moisturizing conditioner. I think I'm gonna go with that because, you know, it's natural up here and I need as much moisture as possible. So we'll throw that in the bag. See, I'm not on a budget today because we got money today. We got coins to spend. Literally, I could spend my quarters here. I feel comfortable doing that. Ooh, this sounds fancy. Hydrating shampoo and avocado oil. Oh my God. They have a styling gel and a sport hole. Yes! I got money now. Oh wow, they have wig caps here. Let me find out. Let me find out the Dollar Tree looking out for the naturals. Oh. They have a Got To Be Glue spiking gel. And this is actually Got To Be Glue. What? Oh yeah, I gotta get this. Oh, absolutely. I am in shock. All right, too close, too close. Get out my face, get out my face. They have an edge gel, y'all. An edge gel. Oh, how much is that? I can afford it. Throw it in the back. Oh yeah, absolutely. You can have anything you want. I believe I needed a herbal grow. I'll just throw it in the shopping cart because bitch, we ballin'. What? You never seen anybody on a shopping spree before at Dollar Tree? Get a life, loser. Just throw it in the bag. I think my job's about done here. I think I've gotten everything. Ah, there's a whole hair tool section. We got brushes, combs, mirrors. We have here banana clips. Ooh, look at that. Who wouldn't buy this? Come on, this is really cute. Ooh, they have a detangler brush. I need that too. Yeah, I was crack-a-lacking. We are back in my home. As you can tell, we're in the kitchen. Hey, nothing's cooking though, except for this hair. Well, I don't know if I want my hair to be cooking. That kind of sounds bad. But anyway, without further ado, we're going to start this wash day. So, it's been a little while since the girls washed her hair. We are 2 weeks in. So, we need to wash her. There's a lot of items that we're going to use today. So, one, we are going to use their detangler brush. So we're gonna start off with the hydrating shampoo, right? It's a new advanced hydrating shampoo with provitamin B5 and avocado oil. So they got me at the avocado because I don't know about you guys, but I love me some avocados. Okay, I love avocados. So that already enticed me. And then after that, we're gonna do a damage repair conditioner with soy protein and essential amino acids. Trust me to clean, which is like weird, like what? sounds like this brush got some trust issues. It says it's designed for natural hair textures of all lengths, massage scalp while shampooing, therapeutic bristles, and is destined for all hair types and hair lengths. So let's give it a go. And that is all I have in this KFC bag. Yeah, I stopped by KFC as well. I'm kind of hungry. Right now, my hair feels very, very, very dry. And I realized this shampoo is not a natural hair girl friendly shampoo, okay? This thing got sulfates in it. So this is already a no for me because my hair feels dry, and I realize it's because it got sulfates in it. So if you go to Dollar Tree, don't buy this shampoo. They have some other shampoos that, like VO5, which I know is sulfate free, so go with that, but not this thing. Let me look at this conditioner. Let's see if it has sulfates in it. Okay, it doesn't. Let's give it a go. Oh shoot, I forgot to use the shampoo brush. Let's see if it's a match against my claws. Let's see if this is better. This conditioner smells really good. Ooh, this feels nice. This feels real nice. This actually isn't even like hard. It's actually sort of soft once you put it on your hair. I feel like this is a good massage brush. If I want to like massage some oils into my hair, this is like a good hair massage. There's no hair stuck in the bristles either, which I really like a lot. So it's not like I'm losing hair while using this. And it just feels so good. We're gonna use a detangler brush. Wow, no, I love, okay. For $1, this detangler brush is bomb. I'm not gonna finger comb my hair anymore. Look guys, barely any hair in the brush. Who needs a bath comb? And who needs fingers? Hey y'all, so my hair is like actually kind of dry because I was spending time beating this face. So now my hair is really dry, but that's okay. So using all these products that I bought from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna try to do a curly frohawk. I didn't put any deep condition, but Dollar Tree actually did sell some deep conditioning products, so I probably could have done that, but I didn't buy it. I have a hair and scalp conditioner, castor oil softy. I'm also gonna use some moisturizer hair lotion. Dollar Tree needs to step it up because our natural hair does not need sulfates. I also have a shea butter edge gel that I'm gonna use. I have a Got To Be Glue styling gel. Got me a brush, big bottle of gel. So I got a lot of things going on here. So we're going to do a 2-strand twist out. Oh, first I'm gonna start by wetting this dry hair. Dry like your phone right now because ain't nobody texting you. Stop checking your phone, nobody texting you, sis. So wet this a little bit. Now we're gonna use some castor oil. I'm also gonna use some of the Lusty Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. I feel like this is a Pink ripoff, like the brand Pink, their hair lotion. I feel like it's a direct copy of it, but you know, whatevs. We have a long way to go, so I'll see you guys when half of my hair is done. Hey y'all, so I'm back with my twist all done, as you can see. Okay, so when I come back, we're all gonna see whether these Dollar Hair Tree products are worth the money. I mean, even though it's like only $1 each, but we'll see whether we can start to use some of these products for everyday twist outs, like whether that actually looks good, you know? So I'll be back very soon. Okay, I'm back and my hair is dry. So let's take this baby out and see what it looks like. How pretty is she? Oh my God. Oh, this looks so pretty. Let's keep going. But one of the most bomb twist outs I've ever done. And I don't know what product to blame for this. Like, should I blame the hair lotion? Okay, you know what? I'm talking too much. Let's just keep on twisting. Okay, so this oil, when I say my hands are greasy right now, that is a great thing. So this oil definitely did its thing. And so did the curls. See, I gotta buy me an Afro pick.
I know there definitely must have been one at Dollar Tree, but I guess I just didn't see it. But, so I'm just gonna have to use this rat tail comb, but hello! Alright! Now these curls came out so bomb. Who would have thought products that I bought at Dollar Tree would achieve this look? Who? No, I also bought a Softy Herbal Grow, but I don't need this. My hair is greasy enough. We're about to use some of their styling gel. We're gonna use their styling gel and their brush. Let's brush this first. Let's use the Got To Be Glue Spiked Up Styling Gel. I actually have 2 styling gels and I honestly didn't need both of these. But you know what? Let's use a little bit of both, I guess. It smells really good. Okay. So sleek on the sides. It's ready to be tied up. Okay, so I also bought banana clips from Dollar Tree, right? And I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys, but the banana clip broke. And I already broke this one, okay? I did this off camera. Basically, this is the banana clip, right? It comes in a 4-pack. I'm trying to open this, right? At least just one side so I can be able to put it on my hair and then clip it on the other end, right? Guys, it's not budging. It's not budging at all. So, Dollar Tree banana clips are canceled. They're canceled. So that the fro hawk I wanted to do for you guys, yeah, no more. We can't do that no more. I mean, unless I get some pins and pin it up, which I think I might just do just because, why not, right? And of course, we cannot forget to gel down the baby hairs. That is crucial. Y'all already know me and my edges, they need to look good. Okay, so today we're gonna be using the Lusty Shea Butter Edge Gel. I was so surprised to find out that they even had this. And it's actually a gel. Oh my gosh. It's a clear gel. This is, and it's like, it's thick. It's a nice thick gel. It's not like this type of gel. It's like a gel that you'd find with, I don't know, what's the name of that thing? It's like a jam. It's more of like a jam gel, which is the type of gel that I use, so that's good. All right, now let's see how this baby works. Ooh. Wow. This is like an extra hold gel. And that's crazy because it doesn't even say an extra. Oh, it says a strong hold. Wow. No running, non-greasy, alcohol-free, protects against breakage, and it got some shea butter in it. Wow. Dollar Tree, you might have just did something with this one. Okay. This is actually a really good buy. Like, I'm definitely gonna be buying more of these. And it's 2.4 ounces, so it's definitely travel size. I think it's nice and small, which is definitely something I like because I can use it to travel with. Wow, I'm not buying gel from the beauty supplies anymore. Like, why? For what? No, absolutely not. When I can get this for $1 at Dollar Tree, girl, bye. Guys, what do you think about the fun? Oh! You know you can't do a mohawk without some hoops. Hoops just kind of add to that look. Let's throw these babies on. Let's add some lip gloss real quick. You can get some lip gloss at Dollar Tree too, by the way. Now, I didn't get this from there, but you can get lip gloss at Dollar Tree too. And bam! This is the final look, ladies and gentlemen. What do we think? What do we think?
Dollar Tree, you might have just did something now. Wow.
You've clicked on this video, you might as well go ahead and subscribe, because listen honey, after you watch this video you're gonna want more. Okay, well, you know, it's awkward though, because if you don't, I would have just lied to y'all. Still subscribe, support the black community, support black YouTubers, like and subscribe anyway. Also, when I'm not on YouTube, you can keep up with me on these social media accounts. Feel free to tweet your girl, message your girl, DM your girl, snap your girl. We friends now. We friends. You clicked on the video, we're friends now. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you want more natural hair tutorials, please, 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 please let me know so I can provide that for you guys. We're doing things a little bit differently on this channel this year, and I'm really excited to bring some more content to you guys. Signing out. Peace.